Hey, it's Holly, and today is KnitCrate Day. So this is February? Is that what month it is? It's February. February's KnitCrate. If you guys know, for months now, I've been getting KnitCrate. I absolutely love it. Even though there's been a couple of months I got colors I wasn't too keen on. Still been fun. I get the KnitCrate membership box, which is 2 skeins of the in-house brands. I've gotten the Vitalana, and I've gotten another brand. I can't remember it off the top of my head right now. But anyways, that's the KnitCrate box, or the membership box. You get 2 skeins for the month. They also have a sock club. They have an artisan sock club. They have a Malabrigo club that's quarterly. They have all kinds of box clubs that you guys can get. They're so much fun. I love it every month, getting a new box and opening it up and seeing what I get. It's so much fun. And the 2 months I got the color I didn't like, because you guys know I don't like brown, but I got it both times they had it. And the best part is there is a ton of other people that are getting it, and a lot of times they don't want the color they got. So I was able to swap both times for the colors I did want. So I have no idea what colors were this month. Normally I watch the preview, and I know I got no clue. But before I get into this, you guys, if you want KnitCrate, down below I have a link to there. If you can use my link to go there and sign up for KnitCrate, and if you use the code pineapple20, all uppercase, no spaces, you will get 20% off your first order, which is super awesome. I love KnitCrate and these cute teal boxes, right? I love every time I see the little like delivery guy coming with my little teal box. I get all excited because I'm like, yarn, right to my door. All right, guys, like I said, I don't know what colors these are. I don't know if it's DK, worsted, because that's the thing with the membership box. 1 month it might be DK, 1 month might be worsted, 1 month might be bulky, fingering. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's a surprise. So here's my box, and we're gonna do it just like we always did. All I did was cut the little label there. Just, let's see. All I did was cut the little flap. I'm gonna hold it up. You all tell me what I got. Can they see it, Mr. Miller? Mr. Pineapple? Ugh. Can you guys see it? Yes. Okay. Will I like it? Let's find out. Ooh, I got blue. Blue. And this is the Audine Wools, which is one of their in-house brands. Let me get it up real far, and it will focus. Audine Wools. And this is a DK in the color Electric Abalone. Let me spin it around. Maybe we can get it to read it. There we go. So it is 50% alpaca, 30% merino wool, and 20% nylon. It is a DK with 236 yards. It is so soft, you guys. And look at this gorgeous, let me get a hold of it, blue tonals. Come on, there we go, focused. Look at that. The dark blues, the light blues right there is like spot on, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my goodness, I love this. It's so soft. And you get a little membership book. I guess these are the 2 colors. You could have got blue or green. I would have been fine with either one of them, but I'm super glad I got the blue. So you could have got either one of those 2 colors. Very, very pretty. And there's always a crochet and a knitting pattern in here. There's a lot of stuff in here too, though. I think this might be the book they give for everybody, even the other crates. I don't know. Oh, look at this cute little shawl here. Or scarf, I'm sorry. I'm stuck in shawl mode like all day, every day. I love shawls, but scarves. So cute. Oh, here's the crochet one. Oh, that's cute. Here's the crochet one. Very cute, you guys. I do enjoy it. I might make it. I probably won't, but I might. I'm a yarn hoarder, not a yarn maker. I just love it. Look at these blues, though. I'm super excited because last month, you guys know I got brown. But I actually had, let's see, is it in here? It is. I had a lovely one of you guys. It was this pink from last time. It's a Vitalana, and this is a worsted weight though. Traded me for the pink, so it turned out pretty good. But I'm pretty excited about this DK blue, right? Look at that, it's really, really pretty. I'm loving this darker shade. I don't know why. I don't know, sometimes I'm into dark colors, guys. So I'm super excited. If you guys get KnitCrate, please tell me down below what color you got, because I'm happy this time. I got blue, and I'm telling you, that 50% baby alpaca, oh my gosh, all I want to make is like something to wrap around my neck. Does it look good on me? Is it a good color for me? I think it is. But anyways, okay guys, I'm gonna head out of here. This was awesome. I had a great month. I always love getting KnitCrate. So please, if you do not get KnitCrate and you want to, please use my link down below, and don't forget to use pineapple20 to get 20% off your first order. And enjoy your beautiful yarn you're gonna get. All right guys, bye.